if you want to be financially free. So stay in this video because I will show you how to use the Temu affiliate program step by step, and I'll show you how people are making $300 per day using the Temu affiliate program. So make sure to follow every single step that I will show you in this video, and then you can do the same and earn thousands of dollars to be independent. So first you will need to have a Temu account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it with the link in the description. Then after you create your account, in the app you want to click on You in the bottom, and then click on Click for Cash. Now I'm using the desktop side of Temu, so if you are also using the desktop side, just scroll to the bottom of the page, and here under Company Info, click on Affiliate, click for Cash, so then you will come right here. Now as you can see, when you refer a new app user, you will get up to 10 to 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app, and you will get 1,000 rupees per download reward, which is just crazy. 1,000 rupees per download is one of the best affiliate offers there is, and the currency changes according to your country. So for every referral who first downloads the app, you get 1,000 rupees. Then on top of that, on every order they make in the first 30 days, you make up to 10 to 30% commission. And not only that, but when people sign up with your link, they will get a €100 coupon bundle, and when they use your code, they can actually get 30% off. So it's great for you and the person signing up with your link and using your code. So I'll show you exactly how you can promote the Temu affiliate program to earn money. So with the strategy that I will show you, you don't need to invite your friends or share it on your Instagram or anything like that. What we are going to do is completely anonymous and makes people lots of money. So first, like the video and subscribe our channel Learn in Tech. So what we are going to do is go to homepage of Temu and refresh it once. Now here you will get a bunch of products, so you can search for products right here in the search bar, but what I actually like doing more is going to bestsellers in the top left and click here. And then here you can filter by category, and you can select the bestsellers of which time. So I'm going to say within the last 30 days. Then we are sure that these products are still top sellers. So here you will get a bunch of trending products that are currently being sold a lot. So just find a product that you would like to promote. You can also promote all of these products, and I'll show you exactly how to do this completely for free. So for example, I will promote this product right here. So just open up the product that you would like to promote, and then here you will see some pictures of the actual product. Now often you also have a video, but what we are going to do is just take one of these pictures. Now how we are going to promote it, it's important to take a picture that looks pretty good, and it's actually a lifestyle picture, not just a picture of a product with a white background. So this one right here would be perfect for the way we are going to promote this. So just right-click the product, and then click on Save Image. Then give it a name, and save it to your device. So now that you have an image of a product, we are going to get our affiliate link, since we need this to promote the product. Now with Temu, unfortunately, you cannot get affiliate links for specific products. You can only get an affiliate link for the Temu app. So what we are going to do is go back to the bottom of the page right here on the desktop side and click on Click for Cash right here. So now we're just going to keep this tab open since we need both the link and the code. So now what you want to do is go to Pinterest, because Pinterest is the platform that we are going to be using to promote this. And I'll show you exactly how and why we are going to use Pinterest to do this. It's completely free. So if you don't have an account yet, simply click on Sign Up in the top right. And if you already have an account, click on Login. I will click Login. So then once you are inside of your Pinterest account, what we are going to do is use the search bar right here. So here we can find stuff that people are actually looking for on Pinterest. So the product that we found is a bathroom shelf for the corner. So what we're going to do is go onto Pinterest, type in bathroom. So as you can see, when I type in bathroom shelf, you will see a bunch of keywords that people are looking for. Now I'm going to make this shower shelf since it's actually in the shower. So I will type in shower shelf. And now you can take one of these keywords. So for example, I will say ideas. So now here you will see a bunch of similar products. And as you can see, when we over these pins with our mouse, these are all links linking to an actual product. So these people are all doing affiliate marketing as well. And that's exactly what we are going to do as well. As you can see, this person right here is doing Amazon affiliate marketing, and all these images look very similar to the one that we just found right here. So that's why this will work perfect on Pinterest. So now what we are going to do is create a pin. So to do this, click on Create in the top left. Now here, just upload the file that we just downloaded. So for me, it's this one right here. Now for the title, we want to use the exact keyword that we just found. So in my case, it's this. So then we are going to add in a description. So for the description, just tell a little bit about the product. And more essentially, we are going to say you can order this on Temu. And then for the price, since Temu is very cheap, this is a great selling point. So it's about 808 rupees and 60 cents. So that's around $3. So I will say you can order this on Temu for just $3. Now on Pinterest, you always want to disclose that it is an affiliate marketing post. Otherwise, they can take down your pin and even your account. So type something like this. So I added you can order this product on Temu for just $5 with the link in this pin. So for the actual link, we are going to add in the link right here. So then go back to the Temu affiliate program here and just go in and copy the link that you have here. Now we also want to promote our code because when people use this code, we will actually get another commission. So as you can see, they get 30% off when we click right here. You can see they get 30% off on orders over 10 euros. So you can just say get an extra 30% off with this code. And then they will see that they need to spend 10 euros. So type something like this, get an extra 30% off with this code, and then just enter your own code. Now you can add it to a board. I'm just going to create a board called bathroom. And then when I add more products just like this one, I can also add them to the bathroom board. So then click create. Now you want to tag 2 to 8 topics. I recommend 2 to 8 because that's what the experts recommend. So I'm going to select bathroom. So for one of the tags, I'm just going to select bathroom. And I will also do home interior design. So just tag 2 to 8 topics per pin that you create. And then once you're done, just go and click on publish in the top right. So now we have created a pin just like the ones that you see right here. So it's important to take an aesthetic picture from Temu because that always does good on Pinterest. For example, if you can find a picture like this one right here, that will always do great. Now the best thing about this strategy is that you can do this an unlimited amount of times because there are so many products on Temu and there are so many search phrases on Pinterest. For example, when I just keep in the shower theme, you can see, for example, shower curtain or shower towel ideas. So just find another keyword. I'll just show you a strategy that I use for this. So I will say desk, and then here we will already get some inspiration. But you can do, for example, when I type in P, you will see desk pets, desk plants, and a bunch more here. So let's say I want to search for desk plants right here. Now here you will see some pins that are about desk plants. So now when we go to Temu and search for desk plants, you will now find products right here that are intended as desk plants. So for example, if we take the one right here, you can also find some pictures here. Now you want to find a product with an as good as possible picture. So you want to find one that actually is on a desk, and otherwise you want to rebrand it. So for example, right here, I can't find any that are actually on desks, but this picture still looks good. So then what I could do is go to Pinterest and type in small plants, and then you will find some more keywords. So for example, small plants, indoor decoration, bedroom. So then here again, you will see some pins that have to do with this. And a picture like this will do pretty good on this keyword, since it actually matches with the keyword that we searched for. So just rinse and repeat this process as many times as possible. And as you can see, most of these people are again adding links and making money through these pins. So even when people find your pin and they just download the app, don't even order anything, you will earn 2 euros. So it's a great strategy to do. So just create a bunch of pins similar to this one about all sorts of products. Figure out which products perform the best for you, so you can see which ones get the most views on Pinterest. And for this, you actually want to convert to a business account, which is very easy and only takes a few minutes. And that will give you a bunch more key insights. So just create a bunch of these pins, and you will make a lot of money with the Temu affiliate program. And as you can see in the Temu affiliate program, you will also get bonuses. When I refer 3 more new downloads or orders, I get an extra 6 euros, which basically means that for the next 3 downloads, I will be making 12 euros. Now, as you can see, this goes all the way up to 3,000 euros in bonuses, so you can actually make a ton of money doing this, and people are making $300 and even up to $500 per day on the Temu affiliate program with the exact strategy that I just showed you. So just follow the steps in this video as many times as possible. The more the better, and you will get a bunch of app downloads and commissions. So that's how to use the Temu affiliate program step by step without inviting your friends. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel, Learn in Tech, for more amazing videos. Visit my channel, or if you want to know how to earn money from Amazon without selling products, or if you want to earn money by just selling you knowledge. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.